Welcome to Healthy Wave. If you're here, you're likely eager to enhance your appearance and become the best version of yourself. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to achieve clear and radiant skin. But before we get started, let's emphasize something crucial. Embracing your natural skin tone is essential. Love yourself just the way you are. Now, let's explore 4 simple daily habits to keep your skin glowing and healthy. Hydration is key. Aim to drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Hydration helps your body flush out toxins, promoting healthier skin from within. Prioritize sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This optimal duration allows your skin cells to regenerate, contributing to overall skin health. Cleanse your skin. Make it a habit to wash your face every morning and evening. Opt for a gentle face wash with cold water to effectively cleanse your skin and invigorate your senses. Sun protection. Always shield your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by using sunscreen. This simple step prevents premature aging and maintains youthful-looking skin. In addition to these habits, remember to nourish your body with healthy foods, steer clear of harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, and prioritize your happiness. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and appearance. Here at Healthy Wave, we're committed to guiding you towards a healthier, happier you. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips, and we'll catch you in the next video.